Jupiter is not large by accident. Jupiter grew because growth itself creates more growth. This is called a positive feedback loop, and it is the hidden engine of planetary evolution. In this episode, we explain why once a planet gets big enough, it cannot stop growing. Planetary growth follows a simple logic. More mass, more gravity, more matter captured, even more mass. This is not philosophy. It is Newton's law of gravitation, F into gx. Helm xm210r2. As Jupiter's mass increases, its gravitational pull increases. As gravity increases, it captures more debris, gas, dust, asteroids, and interstellar material. That new material increases mass again. This loop feeds itself. Early Jupiter started as a rocky planetary core, like Earth or Mars, but once it crossed a critical mass threshold, something changed. Its gravity became strong enough to capture hydrogen and helium, trap cometary ice, pull debris from the protoplanetary disk, and capture interstellar particles passing through the solar system. At that moment, Jupiter entered runaway growth mode. Unlike Earth, which stabilized, Jupiter kept accelerating. Now the runaway loop looks like this. Core mass increases. Gravity strengthens. More matter is captured. Captured matter increases mass. Gravity increases again. This is a self-reinforcing planetary engine. This is why Jupiter became a giant while Earth did not. This feedback loop explains how planets transition from a rocky world to a gas giant to a stellar-like object. It also explains why Jupiter has so many moons. A stronger gravity field captures everything passing nearby. Jupiter did not just grow, it consumed its environment. In video 6, we will break down Newton's gravitational equation step by step and explain exactly how gravity scales planetary growth using simple mathematics. If you want to understand how planets become giants, continue to video 6.